In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge audio and video in CapCut on PC. So, first of all, you have to have some separate video, as you can see over here, and then some separate audio too. As you can see, I've got it over here. I can move it around. It's separated from the video clip. Then what you have to do is select both the video and the audio together. You can do this one of two ways. Either simply go somewhere when there's nothing on your screen and just hold down your mouse key as you usually would select anything, for example in a folder or in your desktop, and simply hover over these two clips. Now that's the first method, and the second thing you can do is hold down your Control key and click each and every single clip. Okay, so as you can see, I held down my Control key and selected both the video and the audio clip. Now once it's selected, you'll be able to see that because it has this whitish outline. And now once you've done that, you want to right click anywhere on either of these two clips, right click and click Create Compound Clip. Okay, and once you click this, as you can see, this will create a compound clip which is now merged together, and you can kind of move it around together as if it was one singular video clip with some audio next to it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.